Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my unboxing of my Boxycharm base box. It'll be my last one. I'm canceling all my subscription boxes and just trying to use up what I have. So let's start off with my add-ons because my add-ons came with my base box. So it's not much, it's basic. It's like 4 things. I got the Crumb Shop Moisture Repair Foot Mask with almond oil and shea butter. So, I got the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette. It's so pretty. I wanted this. I got the Ayana one in my box, but I really wanted the Jubilee, so I ordered that when I saw it. Then I have the Bloom Effect Royal Tulip Nectar Moisturizing Nectar. Okay, box is really pretty. What does this look like? Ooh, very pretty. I like the emblem on top. It's pretty. Does it have a smell? It kind of leaks a little bit. That's okay. Tighten it. It leaked a little bit, but that's okay. I still quite a bit in there, so that is nice. Can't remember how much I paid, but it was cheap. It was through the Boxy add-ons. I did get one add-on, but I didn't buy why can't I talk today? I didn't buy next month's box because I canceled. So I just bought one thing, and I can't remember what it is. Oh, it was a palette, I think. The last thing I got from the add-ons is the Skin & Co. Roma Super Soothing Shower Oil with, this is the Umbrian Truffle one. I love their truffle oil line. It's my favorite. Please don't mind my hair. I put it in a braid and, well, it's doing its own thing. Coming out. And, ugh. Anyway, I haven't tried this yet, so I'm sure I'll love it because I love the truffle therapy line that they have. So anyway, now let's get into the base box. So the theme is Flourish, just like on Premium. So, okay, first thing I'm pulling out is the Murad Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. And that retails, well, let's read about first. Detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light. Why would it want pollution? Okay. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin's barrier while you sleep. Retail value is $74. Nice. Okay. Next thing I'm pulling out is, ooh. This is from Dry Bar. It's the Hot Toddy Before Ironing Heat Protectant Mist. Nice. A lightweight spray protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Retail value $27. I've never tried anything from Dry Bar, so that's cool. I don't usually blow dry my hair, but especially in the summertime, my hair will just dry naturally, but in winter, I'll probably use this because you don't want your hair to get, you don't want to, you'll catch a cold if it's wet in winter. So anyway, that is cool. Okay, what's next here? We got from Mellow Cosmetics liquid lip gloss in the shade Saint Tropez. Let's see what it says. Get ready to spice up your lips. This ultra glossy, non-sticky formula has a uniquely smooth feel. It can be worn alone or over any lipstick, with the added goodness of vitamin E and avocado oil. The Saint Tropez shade is the perfect mauve, and it's cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. Retail value is $18. Well, let's look at it. Oh, that's pretty. Never tried anything from this brand, Mellow. So that's cool. Let's see. Oh, brushes. I have so many. Let's see. This is from Lavish Cosmetics. This is their Essential Eye Collection. Those look like nice brushes. The Essential Eye Collection contains 5 handcrafted, vegan-friendly brushes to create the most subtle or dramatic looks. Retail value $30. It says it's a new launch, so these are kind of nice. I might keep those. I don't know. I have so many brushes. It's like I've had a cosmetics brush set that I bought like several Christmases ago. Still in the package. I haven't even busted them out yet. I have so many from subscription boxes that I haven't even touched those yet. And I bought them special too. So I don't know. I might keep these. I might pass them on. I don't know yet. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's the last thing. The last thing I got is a palette from Cab Cosmetics. It's the Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. New launch. Okay. It says, this palette has a new formula and new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night all in one. I can't read or speak today. With 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night all in one product. Use the softer, lighter shades to create your favorite daytime looks and play around with the bolder, darker shades for a more intense nighttime look. So, that's what the package looks like. Got a little bit dusty there. It's pretty. Reminds me of something, but I don't know what. Very pretty. I don't think I've seen anybody get this. Of course, then again, I'm not watching really anybody's Boxycharm unboxings because I don't want to get FOMO because I canceled. So, it's pretty. It says, how much was this? Oh, this is $52 for this? What? I almost dropped it. Sorry. For this? $52 for this? Okay. It kind of looks like something that I've seen before. I don't know. I don't know if that's $52 worth or not, but okay. If they say so. So, sorry, I had to kill the gnat. It was bothering me. I will wash my hands in a minute. So, that's not a bad last box. So I'll keep everything, I think, except for maybe these. I don't know. I'm still debating whether or not to pass those on or not. So not a bad box. I'm gonna miss Boxycharm. It was one of my favorite subscriptions besides the Rose War Panty Power. Those two were my favorite. Oh well, I liked Single Swag too. Those three are my top three, I think. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you like subscription box unboxings. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.